We have seen a massive jump in the price of the Pyth network token now. Of course, we're talking about the coin being Pyth, which has had a huge spike, as we can see, up 52% in the last 7 days. And in general, looking pretty good on the price action side. So what's actually going on behind the scenes to cause such a catapult? Well, we can see USGDP goes on chain. Head of Institutional Business Development, Mike James X joined today's Taking Stock Live to discuss Pyth's milestone of working with Commerce Gov to verify and distribute economic data on chain. The signal is that the US government is viewing and looking at blockchain technology as a tool for the economic innovation in the country. That's not just a win for Pyth, that's a win for the broader financial system and a step in the right direction towards making America's data infrastructure open, transparent, and accessible. Yeah, I personally think anything the government touches it's no longer something I'm interested in. Let's put it that way. Now, so Pyth Network, great to see overall, but, good news, adoption-wise, good news for transparency and stuff, but, is it going to be a centralized thing? Is it going to be a thing where, anonymity is diminished? What does this actually mean? Anyways, I want to quickly remind you guys, September is round the corner. September, a fun fact here, 4 of 12 Septembers have been green, but the other 8 have always been bearish. So we could be seeing a bearish month around the corner. Now, of course, we had a really, really good week for Pyth Network, but Pyth is heavily flawed. And I'm going to tell you what the flaw is with this particular ecosystem. And it is very simple. Very, very simple, not rocket science. It's quite simply the inflation that we see. Now, we can see Pyth here, a $1.9 billion market capital. This was in December 2024. When this happened, the price was 51 cents. Now, right now we have a $1.1 billion market capital, but you can see that the price is nowhere near where it was back here. And that's because of token emissions. That's because of token dilution, where the supply increases, the circulating supply that is, and there's still plenty more tokens ready to, go out there. There's another 43% of the supply ready to circulate, which will also dilute those coins. So personally, this means that there's people waiting for Pyth to go back to $1, which is 5 times higher than the current price. However, when the coin was $1, which was here in 2024 March, if we go to 2024 March, we can see that the market capital is $1.5 billion, but the price was 5 times higher. So in order for a price being the same at basically $1, now we need a $5.74 billion market capitalization for Pyth. So the ecosystem can grow, but the price of the coin may not reach its previous all-time high based on this. So yeah, just remember to look at market capital for projects and not the price of the coin, because you could be basically holding on forever because you're basically waiting for a unit cost at all-time high. So that's one thing that's not good. Other things that have happened is we've seen a rejection on the altcoin market cap. The altcoin market has slipped away from its $1.7 trillion valuation. It is down actually 8.53% on the week. So we could also see a potential pullback for altcoins and come down a little bit lower. I am looking at the 1.3 to 1.2 trillion dollar market capitalization area, because this is where I plan on reaccumulating for altcoins in general, waiting for that slingshot to the upside for Q4. Which could be the last major run up for the bull market that we're going to see on this particular year. Now, I do want to say, guys, my traders are making absolutely humongous wins. If you want to make some big wins as well, check out the Patreon down below. As I scroll through here, you can see the community is winning every day, no matter where they're from their phone, their laptop, their PC, wherever they are in the world. This gives them a portal to new potential gains. If you're curious about this, check out my Patreon down below. It's $110 per month. It's a subscription here. We also have a $60 a month subscription. We also have a $30 a month subscription, as well as an even lower priced one at about $13 per month. I've got 100 members there anyway, enjoying the Patreon package here, the subscription. So please do check it out if you do want to start growing more in the market and have more access to big opportunities like spot signals, leverage signals, early alphas, new 10x potential coins, pre-sales, stealth launches, and the entire lot. So please check that out down below. So yes, that is the thing. Pyth is a little bit flawed in that sense. And we can see Pyth did hit an overbought RSI, pulled back very quickly like it does every other time where this relative strength index pokes up beyond 70, which reflects it being overbought as an asset. So yeah, this is one thing I'm pretty much recognizing at the moment. So great project overall in a nutshell, strong fundamental value, very, very great utility. Tokenomics, not a huge fan of because there will be more emissions for the coin, but it doesn't mean that it can't grow and, you know, get even bigger in the crypto space, so to speak. Next up, we have token 6900. If you're looking for a new ICO which ends in 4 days and goes live on the 3rd of September at 2 p.m., this could be a new meme coin ICO that you could make some gains on, potentially. So yeah, 4 days to go. One token is 0.007125. You can connect your wallet here. You can use things like MetaMask, Best Wallet, or Wallet Connect to buy some of these coins. Simply wait and hold for the token generation event for this new SPX 6900 alternative coin, which could be a 10x potential gem out there. A lot of degens are waiting for this to go live now. Token 6900, it says pre-sale ended. The final chance is here. The launch is on Wednesday, the 3rd September at 2 p.m. So get ready, guys. It could be something insane. Do a bit of research and due diligence with the link down below, should you wish. Now, before we move on, a reminder, September is usually bearish, but it doesn't mean that it's definitely going to happen. October is usually bullish, but also it doesn't mean that is going to happen. These are the probable events that might happen based on the historical data that we can see here. Obviously, I want Pyth to go higher. I want all crypto to go higher. I want this entire market to grow more and more. And I want people to enjoy the fact that the market is growing more and more and more. Lastly, K6, if you're a crypto trader, you can see in their event center, there are new user rewards. If you sign up to this exchange using my link down below, this means you're going to get some sign up trading bonuses exclusive to the jacobcrypobury community. And you're going to really enjoy it, guys. No KYC, global accessibility, crypto exchange here, centralized, where you can do your futures trading, you can do your leverage trading, you can do your spot trading, whatever you actually want to do. With this exchange, you can pretty much do it in a nutshell. It's a very, very simple exchange to use. So please sign up down below as well to get some free trading bonuses. And if you make profits, you can withdraw those. That's really, really cool. Anyways, share this with a friend, like the video, hit the notification bell, and please subscribe to the channel. We're getting very close to 60,000 subscribers. So just want to say thanks and bye for now.